popping Phoenix.
Getting shot at. Void running.
They're running on you.
Dude, I'm just trying to avoid these fuckers.
Squad's attacking. Focus.
Like, fuck off, okay?
Need to recharge my shields.
They're finishing you?
They spotted me. I'm taking shots. Void jumping.
I need them to fight. Oh my god. Master Ovation, dude.
Recharging my shields.
Okay, this is good.
Punching a tunnel. Ring's not that far. I set the portal. "30 seconds.
One shot on that horizon.
Ooh, dude. Let's go.